it is a clear paper with clear water. Okay. Now on your wet paper, what I want you to do is take yellow. Okay. Take yellow color. Take your brush. It is wet. Okay. Take yellow color. We are doing a wet on wet technique here. Okay. Okay. Take your brush and take yellow color in your brush, and we will use yellow color on top right here. See. Okay. And also we will use this yellow color right here in the middle. If your paper is drying while you color, you can also take a more water and just keep drenching your paper with it. See, and your paper will fold a bit like this. See, mine also is folding a bit. It's because you are using water on your paper. When you put extra water on paper, it folds a bit. Okay, and that is not a problem. It happens. It is happening with me also. So no issues. Okay. Now when this is done, you can take orange color from your palette. See, take orange color from your palette and put orange color like right here on sides. See, and then we will take more of orange color and we will put here it on sides. Okay. See the paper.
Confused.
You're getting confused. See, first we are taking yellow and we put it here at the top and in the middle. Second step, we take yellow more and less red. So we make a very light orange color and we put it here in the middle. And after that, we take orange color from your palette and you can just put that orange color on sides like this. See, at this side, and just keep putting it like this and mixing it together. See, you can see on my paper, right? Keep mixing it. It's a wet on wet technique we are using. So keep your brushes wet and not dry. Just keep taking water on your brush.
My one has
Correct.
Ma'am,
Now,
is correct or not?
yes, it's correct. Now you take your brush and dip it in red
Ma'am, is
color.
this
Okay,
correct?
see, red color. And then in the
Is
end,
this correct?
yes, Ritika, too much of red. You can use a bit of yellow on the top of your sheet. Just overlay a bit of yellow color on the top of your sheet. Okay. Now take red and see the way I'm doing at the end of the box, right end of the box. See, at the end you can use it like this. See, just red. Okay. See. And mix it with the orange color right above it. See, if you are making any mistakes now, it's fine. We are learning. And while learning, we make mistakes. Okay? Mistakes are the first step towards success. Okay? So don't worry if you are making any mistakes, your color is spilling or something like that. Just learn now and you can do it again at your home. Okay? You can redo it, you can practice it and make yourself perfect. So now your paper will look like this. If it is a bit different, no issues. You can do it again later. Okay? Now listen to me and learn it. Okay? So now we are done with this picture of it over. I'll see it later on. Okay? Guys, so take this paper again. We need to wind up quickly. It's already fixed, guys. So now everyone, take this one, this paper which we did. Okay. Now, for those who didn't understand dry on wet technique or dry technique, you can learn it here. We did a wet on wet technique here. Right, we had wet the whole paper and then we used our wet colors, yellow, orange and red on this paper. That was wet on wet technique. Now those who didn't understand the dry on wet technique or dry technique, you will learn it now. Okay, see, this is your paper, it's ready. Now take your brush. See, this is your brush. Okay, mix mix red and black. Red and black. We are making a shade of red. Okay, we learned it earlier in the class. We are mixing red and black and we are making a shade of black.
Ma'am, should we dry our brush? Or wet?
Yes, your brush is moist. Okay, like you will dip it in water, then you will dab it on any cloth, and then you can use this. And then you can dip your brush again in water. Now we are doing a wet on dry technique. Okay, now your color, you can see this is a bit liquidy. Okay, it's a bit liquidy. It is red and black, and I have made a shade of red. Okay, it's here. Now with this we will make grasses right here in the red portion. See if you can see it is from the top to bottom, you can see, right? Now at the bottom on the red part, see the red part, not the yellow or orange, red part, you will make grass like this. See, small strands like this. Okay, if it's confusing for any one of you, you can take the swatch paper, and like I'm taking the swatch paper and I'm showing it to you so that you can understand it. You don't need it. See, this is my brush, this is the paper, and you will just stroke your brush like this. Okay, this is how we are going to make grass. Okay, so just on the red part, make grasses like this with your red and black color. Okay, we are making shades. We have made the shade of red and black, a shade of red by mixing black, and we are making grasses right here. See, nothing, it's nothing, you're just making strokes like this. See,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, it is right or wrong?
show it to me. Yes, baby, you didn't mix.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible. Ma'am, I mixed.
You mix
Ma'am, I
something
mixed
more of
black color.
with your red.
Ma'am, see?
Mix.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Guys, it's visible. I guess it's a network issue on your side. My screen is visible.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, Isha, you wrote Rise and Shine.
Ma'am,
Yes, Isha, it's fine. I don't know. What's your name with the screen, Ishana? Like, I don't know.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Huh?
Ma'am.
Okay. So just take this. Yes. Get more of black in it. A bit more black.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kritika, show your.
ma'am, my drawing looks like this.
Yes, Rianshi, you can make a bit more of strands, like mine is a bit longer, like this. See?
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yes. Now make a few more strands like this.
Ma'am, it's okay.
Yes, it's okay, Anjali. Yes, it's okay.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yes, Hamid. Yes.
What are we going to do after this?
Yes, I'll tell you what to do after this. Let's others complete. So this is done like this. Now you can put bit more of this color, a shade of red at the down. Okay, see the way I am doing it. More of this color below right here.
Ma'am, the shade of red with the shades, black and pink.
Yes, we are using shades. Yes, Rianshi, red and black. Now take black color.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, it's correct. Yes, it's correct. You can make a bit longer strands of grass, but it's fine. You can do it again after the class. You can perfect yourself. Now, guys, please do it fast. Take black color in your brush. Okay, and make thin lines again. Okay, now, guys, make thin lines. Don't make fat lines. Okay, like very thick lines and all. Take your brush, the smaller brush, and make strands, thin strands. Okay, try to make thin strands. Okay, take your smaller brush. I guess you can use if you have 2 number brush. Okay, I told you to be ready with it. Take that brush.
Ma'am, I'm using 6 number round
Yes.
brush.
Now you're for black. I'm saying, guys, I'm making strands of grass with black, and I'm saying you to use brush number 2. Yes, you be correct. Take a 2 number brush and black color and make strands of black grasses with 2 number brush. Yes, it's correct.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Most
I
welcome.
have 2 number brush because you have said all the things I have.
Okay, good. So now take that brush, take black color and make strands again. Okay. Now do this quickly. You don't need to be very perfect or anything. Just make strands randomly. Okay. Now when this is done, get back to the shade of red where we mix red and black together. Take that in your 2 number brush. Okay, red and black, a mixture of red and black, that's a shade of red. Take your 2 number brush. Okay, guys, brush number 2. And you have black and red color, that's a shade of red with your 2 number brush. And we will make a few small birds right here, okay? Bees. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. See? Now clean your brush, dip it in water and keep it. Okay? So this is the painting that